Urethane casting, or better known as vacuum casting, is a process to produce 10, 50 or a few hundreds of high quality, colored, textured, functional plastic parts. These parts can be used for design validation, form, fit and function tests, and also market tests. Our vacuum casting facility provides cost-effective solutions for your manufacturing needs. Vacuum casting process starts with translating a CAD design into a physical master model that is typically 3D printed or CNC machined. This master model is then finished and painted with texture as per the requirement. Liquid silicone is poured around the master model, which is suspended in a box, creating a rubber mold. The mold is then cured in an oven and precisely cut along the predetermined split line. The master pattern is carefully removed, leaving behind the core and cavity. Pigmented polyurethane materials that come in a variety of chemical and physical properties to match your requirements are poured into the empty cavity under a vacuum. Our vacuum casting outputs are ready to use out of the mold itself. We do offer post-processing services like part assembly, painting, laser etching, screen printing, which we have mastered in our in-house setup, which also makes our vacuum casted outputs on par with the injection molded parts. For a small part like makeup mascara brushes to a large car bumper, Imaginarium can help you cast almost anything. We are here to bridge all your needs, be it in automotive, consumer electronics, medical devices, or even hobby projects. At Imaginarium, we believe in providing an unmatchable experience throughout your product lifecycle. We believe in bringing your ideas to life from digital form into physical form. For more information about vacuum casting, visit our website imaginarium.io and also know about our other services.